just live this.
Yes, sir. What's poppin', GE gang? It's your boy Food Nigga back with another video, man. Back with a banger, you feel me? Make sure if you're new to the channel, you hit that goddamn like, comment, subscribe button, you feel me? Make sure you hit that goddamn notification bell. That motherfucking subscription don't count unless you do that. You feel me? Hey, man, check this out. It's Saturday. I got another banger video for you guys, man. I told you I'm being more consistent. I'm getting my energy back, my mojo back, you feel me? It is currently Saturday, 7:14 in the goddamn morning, sir. 7:14 on a Saturday, man. The grind don't stop. I told you I only got one day off on that Sunday, so yes, I gotta leave my family on a Saturday to go knock out this little couple of hours, you feel me? But guess what? I'm gonna reward them today when I get off work. We're gonna head over to the mall and we're gonna spend some money on one of the new business credit cards that we got. Get the family some they gonna go shopping and get some summer clothes, you feel me? My son wants some short pants and shirts. Wifey wants some dresses and some new towels for the house, you feel me? It's the life I live, you feel me? But it feels good to be able to go do that on the business credit, you feel me? So that's what we work for. But today, you know what I mean? I have my car for 3 years now. Three years I have my car. I never changed the brakes. So today, that BMW hard. I'm on hard. Today we are putting brand new rotors and brakes on the car. So I'm gonna show you guys that. It's gonna make it look a little bit better, man. You know what I'm saying? Brand new rotors, platinum out, you feel me? Obviously I'm putting no goddamn expensive Brembo type shit like that. It's only a 6-cylinder, yeah? You know what I mean? I'm not doing all that when I still plan on changing the engine. Why would I go put a big brake kit on here? You know, it makes no sense. I'm just doing it to get it done so I don't swerve and crash, you know what I'm saying? Because the brake pads is wearing some damn rotors. Also, make sure you head over to Grind Everyday Living Apparel. Go grab you a jogger suit. Go grab you a t-shirt for the summertime. Go grab you a beanie. Go grab you a single hoodie, you feel me? 20% off. Use promo code WILLG, WILLG. I'm activated, man. I got a lot of energy today, Saturday, because I guess because I get to go shopping after work, you feel me? So I'm about to go try and knock this shit out in like 5-6 hours. Come back. I want to wash the car because I'll be nice today, but that ain't gonna happen. I'm just gonna get the brakes done and then wash the car afterwards. But ride with your boy, man. I'm not gonna probably show too much at work because I'm trying to knock that shit out and get home, but I will show you guys the process probably when I get back and heading back home, and then setting up to get the brakes done. I gotta call my guy to come over to the house to do that for me, and then we go shopping. I might take you guys on a shopping spree, to be honest with you. You know what I mean? You gotta watch out when you go to these malls. Niggas is going to the mall and they shooting up malls, you know what I'm saying? I don't play that with my family, so I might take you guys there, see what's popping there. But I'm gonna catch you guys when this work day is done. Then we gonna get to it. It's your boy Food Nigga, man. Give me 1 minute, we're gonna be back. Yeah. All right, gang. So as you can see, we already spending the bag. Business credit. Make sure you type in the comments. Let me know if you guys want to learn about it. But go start your LLC. Go start that thing. What you going to grab next, sir?
Some Nike shorts, maybe some clothes. I don't know.
You gonna go? Oh, he threw shoes on there real slick. Yeah, transaction real easy. You know what I mean? It's just swipage. You know what I'm saying? But y'all see it. Make sure you go grab the beanie. I never gave up on me on the website right now in like 5 different colors. But I'm gonna catch you guys when we downstairs. Yeah. All right, where we get caught up at? Sephora. So now we're caught in the women's section. You know what I'm saying? Check me out though. Make sure you go grab one of these beanies. I never gave up on me. That boy looking clean. Whoo, yes sir. That mirror, look at that. Look at that arm though, looking chunky. Workout hitting. But we stuck in the women's section, man. You know how long that can take, so I'm probably gonna holler at you guys. We're probably gonna try to go get his ears pierced because he's been begging since last year. Even though he's had it before, he let his ears close. So not on purpose. Well, we're gonna check it out, but I'm gonna tap in with you guys as soon as we head over there to Claire's. So give me a minute. Oh yeah. All right, appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you. Can you sit up for me? Do you want to look at them? Either one of you. This earlobe's bigger than that earlobe, but
Yeah. Okay.
that's normal.
All right there. Yeah, it looks the same to me.
Perfect. I was making sure you don't have any purses.
Yeah.
You either take your mask off or unstrap it and hold it on your face. Whatever you feel better about. Perfect. Straight ahead, okay?
We had some when we were
He back in the game. Back in the game. He lifted up the eyebrows already. He's in the game. For sure.
Alright. So leave us in for 3 to 4.
Look at this. He go with his ears pierced, and he gotta come straight to the haircut. This boy don't miss. Look at this other light skin one right here. Look at that. It's crispy though. I ain't gonna hold you. It's crispy. Earrings pierced, hair done. Yeah. But we here for something else. Huh? No, right. No. No, splitting that fucking eyebrow. So I'm gonna tell you something. You split the eyebrow, nigga, you gonna be no.
Let me tell you something.
No.
Men do what they want. Boys do what they can't.
Don't listen to that nigga at all. You're gonna be outside the goddamn porch. Guaranteed. That nigga, don't listen to that advice. But you guys see what's going down. Yes, sir, it's getting done. Saying, boom, check this out. Big boy, man. Check him out. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Getting done. Got the new pads right there. New rotors. These mugs is the Detroit axle. Detroit axle. They're right here. They put this in there too. Hold on 1 second. Hold on. God damn. Bro, the whole... Are you serious? Bro, it's nothing in here. What the fuck? Bro. Wow. Y'all see this? The brake fluid and the goddamn can. Look at that, that's broke. Bro, it's nothing in here. This is the brake cleaner. What the fuck happened to this motherfucker, boy? It's only a little bit in it, bro. That's fucked up. Sheesh. Yes, sir. Look at that tire though, man. God damn. Whew. Big boy screen. You know what I'm saying? Big boy screen. But yeah, we working, man. There's the one getting put on right now. But he's working. He don't want to be on camera. You feel me? So I gotta respect it. I'm gonna let him get to work, and I'm gonna show you guys the finished product. Obviously, I'm not gonna go bigger brakes like brick brake kit. Like I got a fucking Hellcat in there. So I just got some brakes to get me by.
while until I get the engine swap, you feel me? So I'm gonna be happy with these for the summer, and hopefully we get some shit really cracking. You know, I keep pumping these videos out. We're gonna be able to maintain, you feel me? But let him go to work. I'm gonna go upstairs because I had other video upstairs uploading. So hopefully I can get that out tonight to you guys. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell, scroll all the way up, hit all on that motherfucker, man. And we're gonna jump into it, you feel me? So it's your boy Food Nigga, man. Yeah. We'll be back in a second, it's your boy, yeah. I'm gonna show you guys the finished product. How we looking? Sheesh.
Why now I can score.
He said I could score. Sheesh. Cross drilled and slotted. Cross drilled and slotted rotors. You know what I mean? But I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna show you the car when it's washed and everything, and then we're gonna take a look. Hopefully it don't rain tomorrow. I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow morning. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, like right now, you feel me? Sorry this wasn't a how-to video, but I had my guy knock it out for me. Charged me a little $160, man. The shop was trying to charge me like $350 for that shit, you feel me? So I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow, man. Like I said, boy, Food Nigga, man. We out this motherfucker. Gang, it's the next day, you feel me? You see how sunny it is out there? Today I'm gonna actually show you guys the guy. You better cut it out. Talk right, slow down, pimpin'. Today I'm gonna show you guys the car cleaned with the new rotors and brake pads on there. God damn, was that too hard to ask, bro? But I do want to show you guys the old ones though. I want to show you. Bro, can you guys? I don't know if you guys can see that. Can you see all those grooves in there? These rotors were done. The brake pads was eating to the damn rotors and shit. Look at that. Look at all the grooves on that motherfucker, man. Bad. I wanted to show you guys. That, you feel me? So that's why they had to be changed. It's been 3 years before I had since I had the car that I haven't done the brakes and shit like that. And I waited so long, the rotors had to get done at the same time. But my shout out to my guy, he came and knocked it out for me. He charged me a good price. But look at the beanie though. This is a new beanie. Y'all saw what I had on yesterday. Check this one out. No one believed in me. I believed in myself when no one else did. You feel me? And yes, this is that royal blue. But check the shoes out today. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Make sure you head over to grindeverydaylivinapparel.com. Grab you something. You feel me? Promo code WILLG. Get 20% off. But I'm gonna catch you guys when we get to the car, and then we're gonna wrap this video up. It's your boy Food Nigga. Give me a second. Yeah. All right, gang. So I'm gonna show you guys the Kennar. Then I gotta go do a little bit of shopping, man, for the house. So let me show you guys. So it looks a little better, you feel me? Obviously, it would look better with a goddamn big brake kit on that motherfucker with a Hellcat engine in that motherfucker. But, you know, this motherfucker hitting. You know what I'm saying? I'm sure it looked better when it's rolling. When you get to see all that goddamn chrome action back there. I want to call it chrome, but silver. Not bad, huh? Just a little something to keep me rolling on the road until I get everything done, but yeah. That's it, man. Like I said, make sure you head over to Grind Everyday Living Apparel. Grab you some beanies. You know what I'm saying? Grab you some of them. Something to go with your J's and whatnot.
Like this burrito. You can start from
I got
always this condescending.
Turn it off.
Wake up with the new $5 Bell Breakfast Box.
Turn it off. You know what I'm saying? But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, hit all on them motherfuckers so you can be notified every time I post a video. They go hand in hand. One doesn't work without the other. So make sure you like the video, Make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit the notification bell. You feel me? All three of those, as Birdman would say. It's your boy Food Nigga, man. I'm gonna go run around a little bit. I'm gonna come back, try to get these videos pumping and jumping for you guys. Gotta do some editing, gotta do some thumbnail work, and we're gonna keep it moving, man. I'm trying to stay consistent with it. You know what I mean? This YouTube shit is something else, bro. Sometimes you might not have videos lined up. You just gotta pick up that camera and go, and that's what you guys should do. Starting that business, you want to start you know what I'm saying, a YouTube channel. Shit, just pick up the camera and go and turn it into whatever it turns into. Somebody's gonna watch it. There's something out there for everybody. You feel me? So remember that. But let me get back to what I'm doing. And I'm gonna catch you guys on the next video. It's your boy Food, and we out this motherfucker gone, sir.